Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate destination for in-depth car and motorhome reviews. Today we're diving into the future of luxury travel with an exclusive look at the upcoming 2026 Chevrolet luxury motorhome. The 2026 Chevrolet luxury motorhome boasts a bold aerodynamic front design, combining elegance with rugged durability. Its signature Chevrolet grille, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights, offers both aggressive styling and enhanced nighttime visibility. The sculpted bumper integrates seamlessly with modern air vents, optimizing aerodynamics while adding a sporty edge. The large windshield not only adds to the commanding presence, but provides excellent visibility for the driver. Moving to the rear, the motorhome features sleek LED taillights connected by a glossy black trim, creating a sophisticated yet robust look. The wide rear doors and hidden storage compartments offer easy access, while the aerodynamic roof spoiler enhances fuel efficiency. The rear design balances functionality with aesthetics, perfect for long road trips. Step inside and you're greeted by a futuristic cockpit designed for ultimate comfort and control. The digital dashboard features a panoramic infotainment display, integrating navigation, vehicle stats, and entertainment seamlessly. Premium leather seats with memory functions and heating ensure the driver stays comfortable on long journeys. The living area is a masterpiece of modern design, featuring plush seating with adjustable configurations, smart storage solutions, and ambient LED lighting. The bedroom offers a serene retreat with a queen-size bed, memory foam mattress, and customizable lighting. The compact yet fully equipped kitchen features state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, microwave, and a spacious fridge. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet luxury motorhome is powered by a robust turbocharged V8 engine paired with an advanced hybrid system. This combination delivers impressive horsepower, excellent torque for towing, and enhanced fuel efficiency. While Chevrolet hasn't officially announced the pricing, industry insiders predict the 2026 luxury motorhome will start around $150,000, with fully loaded models reaching up to $200,000 or more, depending on customization and luxury add-ons.